Hi, hello, welcome to this is IR channel, IR Design Expert channel. Today we are going to see physically challenged people staircase. It's a very innovative one. First, we are going to start Solidworks. Center line. We'll draw the center line, vertical and horizontal. Okay, and draw the frame. First of all, you're going to draw the we will make one frame. Based on that frame we can develop a 4 number of steps with smaller mechanism. It's a fully automatic manner. Should be close and open. Its height is 250. This one is 70. Okay. It is 313. This angle is 125. Okay, now we're going to make offset. This is offset command. To select. Okay. Exit sketch and extrude. Extrude. Thickness is 160. Okay, this frame, the platform of developing the steps. Before that, we are going to draw the 4 number of steps locating holes, rectangular holes we can develop. Before that, draw the center line and develop 4 number of steps. Draw the center of center rectangular command. The distance is the top to center rectangular is at 30. So 30, and in between the center line distance is distance is 10. This one is 50. I'm going to mirror based on this center line. Select the mirror axis. Okay. Again going to mirror the 2 rectangulars with use of this rectangular. This rectangular distance is the same. It's a 10. You can select the 2 rectangulars. The simple way to select. Okay. Select the mirror command and select the center line. Okay, it should be completed. Now with the bottom of the step, somewhat huge distance is there. You can reduce this distance. Again, go for a sketch. Going to edit this edit command. Sketch edit, and this distance is only for 313. Now going to delete the angle, and now The distance is 313. Okay. Okay, now it is okay for the distance of bottom of the steps. Now we're going to extrude cut command used. This is command is extrude cut. This is coming from extension of this one. So you can select the surface up to the surface. To select inner surface to automatically coming. It's a very simple command. This will be completed. Now we're going to draw the assembly of the steps holes. You can select. Draw the center line of the steps. This is identification of the center line. Going to draw next one. Okay, draw the center line. There is no need, only 2 steps you can draw. After remaining you can make use of mirror command. Okay, now we're going to both of them equal dimension, so we can select equal. Okay, so this diameter is 5 and the center one is distance is 5 and this distance is also 5. To check the is locating on center line or in another line. Draw another one center line for this hole. Okay, now we're going to select this center one, total frame center line. This center line, based on these 2 circles we can make a mirror. This center line, okay, it should be coming. I'm going to extrude cut. Used to extrude cut, we can make 2 sides of locating steps, locating holes. Okay, completed. It's a frame. And next one, you can draw the steps. Another one smaller updation for this frame. This is for the mechanism is locating on one particular pin. That one pin is locating on here. The bottom distance is 23. This is for 5. And diameter is also 5. Extrude. I'm going to give a 50. After that we can change the dimension, no problem. $20. And next one, select a sketch and datum plane and draw the center line. Going to use of the center rectangular command. Select a dimension. This side is 50. We already given for the frame. This side is 150. Okay. The thickness is 10. and this pin is we can draw. This pin is locating on the frame. The center one. This is for diameter is the top distance is 25. The center of the step. The diameter is 5. This is also 5. Going to extrude. Then is 5. Okay. And I'm going to mirror. Select the center datum plane. This one, right plane. Okay. I'm going to draw the mechanism is locating on this particular location. So we can draw extension of a smaller plate. The right plane is correct plane. Okay, we can draw the center line of this rectangular. The dimension is 3.5. Total is 7. The height is 40. Circle is no need. No need after draw the complete this extension. We can draw the circle. Okay, going to extrude. Extrude mid plane 3 mm. Extrude mid plane, the last one, and choose last one. Okay. Now going to draw the locating mechanism locating pin. The oscillating mechanism is locating on this particular pin. Okay. Extrude. This is 80. Okay. Going to save the step. We will draw next one, the part or the sketch, and select the datum plane. Draw the support. The store thickness is 10. Total length is 244. Let's go to scroll. In the sense you can zoom in, zoom out. Scroll the center ball, mouse center ball. To click each steps mechanism is locating on these supports. Okay. Going to this is 35. Going to make a mirror. We're going to mirror the two circles based on this center line. Okay. Here to make a small pin. The supporting pins is locating here. Okay. Okay, make a symmetric. This is 5. So extrude. The thickness is 10. So we draw the another one pin. Five. Okay. Going to extrude. This is 80. 80. Okay. Okay, draw the next one. Here we draw the final mechanism is locating on here to connect with frame. Okay, this center to this bottom distance is 5. The thickness is also 5. Total length is 60. This distance is 20. This is 60. So to extrude, first we will select the inner holes. This thickness is, can reduce the thickness. One select the left click and select and edit. Thickness is 5. Okay, now going to make assembly. This is step. The first one is selected for frame and next one is steps. For the 4 number of steps, you can right click and just sort of drag coming from any number of steps. Also select the pin and select the frame circle and select the side surface now. This will be made. Okay, just you have to click and just move in the sense based on the what are the given constraints. Based on the constraints, it should be moved. Okay, concentricity is okay, and then select. Okay, the same one, just click and drag. Okay, the same for another one step. To select the pin, internal surface, and select the side surface, internal surface. Okay, step is completed, and then select the support. We're going to fix the steps and the link. Okay, we're going to fix this inner surface too. The pin inner surface, just want to click, left click and just drag, in the sense automatically it should be moved based on the constraints. I want to change the plate thickness, plate length. It should be minimized up to 35. Okay, select internal surface of the support. Okay, the first we're going to mat and select internal surface of the support and external surface of the step. The same thing, and mat, internal surface, external surface. and the same one. Now the smaller correction, the pin is coming down. That is what we will assemble the this side pin, frame pin. So you can delete. How you can edit the matting surfaces? Going to select and delete, or otherwise reconstrain. Okay, just go to flip, click and right left click and just go to move. In the sense, based on the constraint, entire setup is move. The reason is already we can make in inner surfaces, so we can delete or edit. Can edit now. You can clear, select internal. Just want to make a flip. Okay, it is completed. Okay, made the same all the surfaces. Now we're going to fix this pin. The reason is the pin is somewhat bigger length, support pin. You can reduce the support pin length. Open and reduce the length up to 20. Okay. Again go for assembly, window and assembly. I have to fix the frame pin to the support pin. Make a tangent. Okay. This is the assembly is completed. Now they're going to make the right click and drag, automatically make animation. The step is move. This location is make some hidden in frame, so you can reduce the step extension. No, the steps extension should be reduced. This one reduce 30. Okay, and open the assembly session. Again you can reduce 25. Again we can reduce 30 to 25. Okay, save, open, assembly. Okay, now it is okay. This location is the handicapped peoples are using the wheelchair or something. The lifting the staircase is very easily. This one is very simple mechanism for handicapped peoples. You can reduce the additionally develop another one staircase. We're going to mechanism motion study and select the motor. Okay, the linear motion and oscillating one. The distance is 10. The heads is 0.25. Now it is okay. You can animate. Okay, but excellent, but it is opposite direction to be animate, so you can change the direction now. We're going to fix the motor. Before that, this is a correct location. This steps is into normal people left the bottom to top. Now we're going to fix the motor for now. The inner surface of here to change the linear, and this is guided to move oscillating one 10 mm. Okay, again it is moving for opposite direction. Now we're going to edit. And change the direction. Nice. Now we can, okay, it is a correct oscillating motion of these steps. And then we can change the distance 15. Okay. Okay, excellent. It should be animated. Save. Physically challenged people. Staircase or step. Save. To reduce the motion frame axis for 0.25. It is very slowly, it should be moving. Okay, nice. I'm going to give a color of each and every components. The frame, I'm going to give a brown color, and step, okay, black color, the link, the same colors to be given. Okay, it is nice to see the colored steps. I'm going to animate. Okay, this seeing very nice. Open and closed. Okay, thank you for watching. IR Design Export channel. Please subscribe my channel.